Hiding menu items in Softr allows you to control which users can access specific pages in your application, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to adjust a page's visibility settings to hide menu items from certain audiences. Softr is a powerful no-code platform for building web apps, and fine-tuning who sees what is essential for creating a clean, secure, and role-appropriate experience for your users. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your applications. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar menu. Click on the option that says Applications. This will bring up a list of every app you've built in Softr, so you can easily select the one you want to work on. If you have multiple applications, take a moment to locate the specific one you want to edit. Click on it to open it up. Once your application loads, you'll be taken into the Builder interface. This is where you can customize every aspect of your app. On the left sidebar again, you'll now see a number of different options for configuring your app. Click on Pages. This will expand to show you all the pages that currently exist within your application. You'll see them organized under the heading App Pages. This list includes every page you've created, from your home page to any member dashboards, admin panels, or content sections. Scroll through this list and locate the specific page whose menu item you want to hide. It could be a page for admin-only tools, a members-only area, or a page you're testing that shouldn't be visible to everyone just yet. Now hover your mouse over that page's name. You'll notice that a small gear icon or settings icon appears beside it. Click on that icon. This opens the page settings panel, which is where you can adjust properties for that individual page. Inside this panel, you'll see several tabs or sections. One of them is labeled Visibility. Click on it. The Visibility section is the key area for controlling access to this page. It contains all the access rules that determine who can view and navigate to this page within your application. This is where the real power of hiding menu items comes into play. Inside the visibility settings, locate the option called Who Can See This Page. This is the main toggle or drop-down that controls access. By default, it might be set to everyone, meaning any visitor to your app can see the page and its menu item. To hide it, you'll need to change this setting. Click on it, and you'll see several audience options. Depending on your app's setup and the user groups you've created, you can choose to make the page visible to only logged-in users, to specific user groups, or to other custom audience segments you've defined. For example, if you want to hide a page from general visitors but show it to paying members, you would select a user group that includes only those members. If you want to restrict access to only administrators, you would choose a group that contains your admin users. Softr also allows you to combine conditions, so you have fine-grained control over exactly who sees what. After you update the visibility setting to restrict access, something very important happens automatically. The navigation menu in your application will adjust in real time based on the access rules you've just set. Users who don't have permission to view that page will no longer see its menu item in the navigation bar. It simply disappears from their view. Meanwhile, authorized users will continue to see the menu item and will be able to click on it and access the page normally. This is a huge benefit because it keeps your app's navigation clean and intuitive for each user without showing them links to pages they can't use or shouldn't see. It also adds a layer of security by not even hinting at the existence of restricted areas to unauthorized eyes. If you have multiple pages that need restricted access, you can repeat this exact process for each one. Simply go through your list of pages, open each page's settings, and adjust the visibility to match your desired audience. Organizing your page visibility this way helps create a much more personalized and secure experience for different types of users. For instance, you might have a public landing page visible to everyone, a dashboard visible only to logged-in members, and an admin panel visible only to your team. Each user sees only the navigation items that are relevant to them, which reduces confusion and improves usability. Before you finalize your changes and move on to other tasks, it's always a good idea to preview your application or test it with different user accounts. Softr allows you to preview your app directly from the builder. You can also log in using a test account that belongs to a restricted user group and see exactly what they would see. Walk through the navigation and confirm that the hidden menu item is truly invisible to that audience. Then log in as an authorized user and verify that the menu item appears and works correctly. This testing step is crucial because it catches any mistakes in your visibility rules before your actual users encounter them. Double checking your access rules before publishing any changes saves you from potential confusion or security gaps. Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind as you work with page visibility. Use these settings to create completely separate experiences for different user groups within the same application. You can have one navigation flow for guests, another for free users, and another for premium subscribers. Always double check your access rules before you publish changes to a live app. Even a small misclick can accidentally hide a page from everyone or, worse, expose a sensitive page to the public. And make it a habit to review your navigation regularly. As your app grows and you add new pages or user groups, you'll want to ensure that only the appropriate pages are visible to each audience. A periodic audit of your visibility settings keeps your app organized and secure. You now have a solid understanding of how to hide menu items in Softr by adjusting page visibility settings. This approach gives you precise control over who sees what, making your application more user-friendly and secure for everyone involved. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or come back to it anytime. Thanks for watching and happy building.